all must have noticed that during the winter season we feel very lazy. We feel sleepy again and again. The reason is that in winter, our body tries to stay in a resting phase more often. Our body does more repairing work. Because of this, our muscles grow faster in winter. Whether you want to gain weight or increase muscle mass to build your body, these things happen faster in this season. We currently have a lot of time. So how can we build muscle in this weather? How can we build our body? Let's talk about that. The first thing you need to understand, if you have low weight and want to gain weight or build muscle, you first need to fix your diet. During muscle gain, our body needs more energy and more fuel, so we must increase our diet. If you want to increase muscle mass as much as possible, the first tip is increase your diet. Whatever you normally eat, increase it a bit. Many people think they already eat a lot, but still can't gain weight or muscle, but that's not true. When you sit to eat, tell yourself in advance that you need to eat a little extra today. Only then will you be able to take in more calories and gain more muscle. Try to take your biggest meal before sunset. If you eat a large meal before the sun sets, your muscle gain will be much faster. Next tip, what foods should we eat to support muscle gain? I always say, eat high carbohydrate and high protein foods. The best foods for weight gain and muscle gain at this time are sweet potato and quinoa. You should eat these in the morning for breakfast. Your muscle gain will speed up. Sweet potatoes are cheap in this season, so get some sweet potatoes and some quinoa and eat them together. Sweet potatoes give high carbohydrates and quinoa gives high protein and fiber, so they digest well and help with muscle gain. Write down sweet potato plus quinoa and start eating this combination every day for breakfast. Next tip, one of the most important tips. In this season, do one small thing that will greatly help your muscle gain. Everyone knows that digestion is extremely important for muscle gain. Only if your food digests well will you gain muscle properly. So what should you do? Drink 1 glass of lukewarm water about 1 hour before your meal. When you drink lukewarm water, it cleanses your stomach. Then when you eat 1 hour later, your food will digest fully, which will support muscle gain. Your body will absorb nutrition better. This tip is great for both muscle gain and weight gain. Try it. Within 2 to 3 months, your body will start improving a lot and your weight will increase nicely. Next tip is about workouts. If you work out properly, you will gain weight and build your body. But in this season, what kind of workout should you do? It's called high weight, low repetition workout. In winter, we should lift heavier weights and do fewer repetitions. As I said earlier, in winter, our body stays more in repair mode. If you lift heavier weights, more muscle fibers break, and you can take advantage of the season to repair them faster. This helps build muscle in less time. So whether you work out in a gym or at home, try to lift heavier weights. Keep your repetitions between 6 to 8 and gradually increase the weight. You will see noticeable muscle gain in 1 to 2 months. Next tip, you must have seen older people in the house go to the rooftop in winter and eat food in the sunlight. This has been practiced for a long time and works like a natural Ayurvedic remedy. If you eat one meal, either breakfast or lunch, in direct sunlight while your body is getting sun exposure, that meal becomes extremely beneficial for your health. It helps boost testosterone and keeps you healthy. If you want to gain muscle, try this too. In winter, eat one of your meals, either breakfast or lunch, on the rooftop in sunlight. You will get great health benefits. If you like the video, make sure to like it. If you want to see more videos like this, you can find them on your screen right now.